All right, just quickly, we are hooking up the horn after removing the factory steering wheel. Your Boss kit should have a horn like this brass ring on the back. If it doesn't, it's not going to work. So essentially, this car was missing some sort of pin. In this case, this is a Z30 Soarer. It was a green wire down here, and I have wired the wire to this pin. This pin is actually from a Z20 Soarer, Toyota, or Lexus, Toyota. That's the part number there. And it's a pin, a spring, and then on the back there's an E-clip. And so this thankfully had a little hole. You stick the pin through, stick the E-clip on the back and attach the wire to it. That way, when you turn the steering wheel, it constantly contacts this ring. So you can see from the side, that ring will sit up against there, and that's how you have a horn. That's the setup in basically all old cars. Some of them have it built into the ABS ring, or what's called the clock spring. But on these older cars, this is what you need: a wire going to a sprung point. And you can actually make, if you don't have one of these things and you're in a hurry, you can make a springy flap, but it needs to contact this ring on the back of your Boss kit. Okay, Boss kit adapts the steering wheel to the spline for the steering wheel. So there you go. That's how to do the horn button on an aftermarket steering wheel. Thanks for watching.